say hello to my little friend. Okay? Albuquerque. Okay. I'm reloaded. I love that pussy. I love that pussy. I love that pussy dripping down to the floor. But wait, pussy. I love that pussy. I'm bringing off your booty, sweating, busting the nut. Now do the bunny hop. Crank the kitty cat.
Hello guys, it's one from the dark 999 here. Okay, I think I need to find a shorter name. Well, I'm gonna find a shorter name in the next video. Well, today I got an unpacking for you guys. Yeah. I've been out and buying something, and what I bought is a Gorillapod. It's a tripod. It's really nice. You guys can see. There's just gonna put this aside. The box itself, okay, just get it out. The box itself is just instructions, Gorillapod. Yeah, and down there it says how you do stuff with it. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys some of it. On here there is you can there's a little button right there you can push down, and then you can take the, it's a bit hard to do in only one hand, but yeah, well, I can't do that with one hand, but you can push that down, and then you can slide this little thing here off. I think if I put the camera down like this, you can see. Oh, it's because I have to lock it. Oh, there's also a little thing right here you can turn to lock this, so you can't push it or drag it out or anything. Yeah, oh, I'm just gonna, then you can unlock it, drag this out, then unlock it all the way. There you go. Yeah, locked it too much there. There you go. You can take this out and put it into your camera, so it's way easier. There you go. So it's way easier to yeah, to just slide your camera right in there. And tripod, you can put it in trees and stuff, because these legs, they're really, you can seriously, you can bend them like, crazy. You can bend them to a circle and stuff. I think you see right there, I think I can make this stay on there. Yep, look, right there. And then you can take, if I got to make any video on the floor or anything, I can just take this all the way around, and then it should be good. Let me just get it off. And yeah, it's a really nice stand. And this thing up here also sorry guys, this thing up here also rotates and stuff. And yeah, that was all. So now my video is gonna be a lot better with the tripod and everything. So thank you guys for watching, and comment, rate, and subscribe. And you should really check out one of my friends. He's called iTouch Reviewer. He's really awesome. I'm gonna put a link in this descriptions to that, and you should go subscribe to him because he's really awesome. Yeah, well, see you guys later. Bye.